Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB. In this video, you're going to learn how to host a static website using S3 and Route 53 in AWS. Let's start by navigating to the S3 service, then click on Create Bucket and give your bucket a name. Make sure the name of the bucket matches the URL of your website. Scroll down and enable ACLs and uncheck Block all public access. Check the I acknowledge objects becoming public checkbox, then click on Create Bucket. Go inside this bucket, then click on Upload. Drag and drop your website files, then expand permissions and select Grant Public Read Access. Check the I understand checkbox, then hit Upload. Wait for the upload to complete. Then click on Close and go to the Properties tab. Scroll down to the Static Website Hosting section, then hit Edit. Choose Enable Static Website Hosting, then enter the name of your index document and hit Save. Give it a few minutes, then refresh this page and scroll down to the Static Website Hosting section. Click on the website endpoint and make sure your page is getting displayed as expected. Navigate to your AWS console and search for Route 53. Click on Hosted Zones, then click on your domain name. Push the Create Record button, then choose Simple Routing. Hit Next, then click on Define Simple Record. Enter the same subdomain as your S3 bucket, then select Alias to S3 Website Endpoint from the dropdown. Choose the same region as your S3 bucket, then your S3 endpoint should automatically pop up. Click on Define Simple Record, then hit Create Records. Click on the View Status button and wait for the status to change to In Sync. Now if we navigate to the subdomain URL, it should route us to the S3 endpoint. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.